Losing weight can be accomplished if you learn how to cook healthy. There are so many recipes that are available to you online that just a quick search and you will find that it is easier than ever to make simple healthy food that will help you lose weight and maintain a healthy body. You need to do a search for healthy recipes and then take a look at all the recipes there are. Make sure that you choose the recipes that you think would be easy for you to make. Do not be afraid to have more recipes than you need. This will ensure you never run out of great healthy recipes. Losing weight is not hard when you make the decision to take off those extra pounds. You need to first start by making some changes to your diet, and cooking healthy is the best way. Try to eliminate the high-fat foods that cause weight gain and replace them with lean meats and vegetables. Finally, set some goals when you are trying to lose weight. You always want to have some short-term and long-term goals so that you can see what progress you are making along the way. It can be fun to try new recipes and lose weight in the process. It is easy once you get on a weight loss plan to lose weight. You need to be comfortable with the plan that you choose so that you can stay on it long enough to reach your goals.